Hello students, the question is from DBMS. It is a linked answer question, okay? Linked answer. Here the one relational schema has been given between a student table and a book table, okay, and the relation defined is issuing the book, okay? So and there is a M is to N relationship between them. This is another table issues which will refer the data from student and book table, okay, and there is a M is to N relationship because any number of students can book any number of books, okay, and number of books, so there is a M is to N relationship. Now what are the question asked is what are the primary keys required for mapping the following entity relationship diagram, right? So just see in the student what will be the primary key in the student table. The primary key will be say like student USN, okay, and in the book table the primary key will be say book ID. So only this will be the unique, right? So because different student have different names but they have the different USN or different roll number, you can tell, and book ID will be different for each and every book. The book ID will be different, okay? So these are the two primary keys only required. There is no need of this issuing table because it is nowhere related. This define the relationship, okay? So there are only two primary keys required for this particular entity relationship diagram, okay? So the answer will be B for the first part. Answer is B, that is 2. For the second part, what they have told, foreign key, okay? So what do you mean by foreign key? First, foreign key is a set of attributes which references to the primary key or alternate keys of same table or some other table So issue will refer the student USN and the book ID. So it will require two foreign keys, okay? So this will also so this ERD will require two foreign keys, okay? So again option is I guess B itself, right? Answer is B. So answer is B. Thank you.